It is a Coca-Cola type of day. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is day 3 of my tutorial week here on my channel, and today we are doing this fun and funky look courtesy of an Instagram influencer. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So yeah, today is day 3 of my tutorial week. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up on Wednesday or Thursday because I do have treatment on Wednesday. So if I happen to upload it on Thursday, then we'll get a Thursday, Friday, Saturday video, which is even more exciting. As I stated earlier, we are doing this fun, funky look today, and it's actually from an Instagram-only influencer. She doesn't have a channel here on YouTube, and her name is ElliesGlamLife. She is actually in the UK as well. I do believe she's in Great Britain, if I'm not mistaken. But she is in the UK, and I am so excited to show you guys just how she made this look on her Instagram. She does have 2 Instagram pages. She has her main Instagram page, which currently sits at 2,100 followers. And when she hits 2,500 followers, she's doing a giveaway. And her second Instagram page is fairly new. It is Swatches by Ellie. She only has 72 followers there, mainly because it is a very new page. She does a lot of eyeshadow palette swatches on there, and her swatches are amazing. So I highly recommend that you guys go over there and give those a look and give that page a follow as well. I will place both pages down in the description box and in my comment section. I will pin it so you guys can follow both pages and show her some love. I almost forgot. When I show you her footage in the corner here while we're doing the tutorial, she does have music playing on her video, but I'm going to mute the audio because I don't want to get a copyright ping on this video. So yeah, just letting you guys know that in case you hear silence while I'm watching her tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I went ahead and primed my eyes with my Gerard Cosmetics base, and I actually went into my Too Faced Matte Chocolate Chip palette, and in the shade White Chocolate, this one right here, if I can get it open, maybe, there we go. The shade White Chocolate right here, I did set that. She used the Venus XL palette and a couple of Peaches makeup pigments. I am actually going to go into the Colourpop Whatever palette to make this look. So let's see what she starts off first. I will try to slow the video down as much as possible so you guys can see, because with Instagram, if you're not doing an IGTV video, you have to keep it under a minute. So sometimes it goes really fast, but I will try to slow it down as much as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it looks like she's shaping out she's tracing out the shape of the eye with a flat shader brush. So that's what I'm going to use. I am going to use this guy right here. This one right here. This is the AOA Studio E131. And I am going to go into the shade Bad Guy right here and try to mimic that. Y'all, I am already liking this look, and I've just done the first step. Now, I did have to go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Alabaster and kind of like fix the left eye, because my left eye is shaped different than my right eye from when I got hit with a baseball when I was younger. So yeah, it's a little different, but not too much. I am really liking this, and like I said, I've only gotten to the first step. Now, it's okay if you take your time to make sure you got the shape that you want, or the shape that she's using, or the shape that she does. That's what I meant to say. So let's go ahead and see what the next step is. All right, it looks like she is taking a lighter shade and she is blending the edges out so they don't look so harsh. So I am going to go into the shade Maybe Later, this shade right here, and with the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush from the Midnight Festival palette collection, I will, yeah, y'all know. Alrighty, this is what we got. Now let's see what she does next. All right, it looks like she takes a concealer and she puts it down in the inside of the lid of the shape. It looks like a concealer. It may be a pigment primer. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Alabaster and put that inside. Alrighty, this is what we have going on. I am just like really loving this look. It is just like, whoa, for me. I guess I said that last time, didn't I? I don't know. All right, let's see what she does next. All right, it looks like she takes a lighter pigment shade, shimmery shade, and she puts it on the inner part of the lid, just halfway. So what I'm going to use is the shade Tardy to do that with, and she used a flat shader brush. I do have another one of those somewhere. She uses a lot of flat brushes for this look. I do have this AOA Studio number 12. It's like a nail brush, but I'm going to use this flat end to put Tardy down. All right, so Tardy wasn't showing up the way I wanted it to, so I finished putting it down, but then I took a little bit of Colourpop's Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ladybird to kind of lighten it up a little bit. It still looks a little bit like my skin tone color, and she uses a very, very lighter shade, so I may go in with another color to kind of lighten it up. I'm not sure yet. We shall see. All right, let's go ahead and see what she does next. Okay, it looks like she is taking a darker pink metallic shade on the outer part of the inside of the lid. So I am going to use the shade TTYN to do that, and she used a flat brush like this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics flat, I think this is a liner brush, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I use these to do my edge of my lower lash line. That's what I want to say. Okay, with adding that TTYN shade, it kind of made Tardy and Ladybird pop out a little bit more, so I am really happy with how that turned out. Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and see what the next step is. I got a fallout from Ladybird on my eye, and I can see it, and it sucks. All right, let's go ahead and see what the next step is. All right, it looks like she took the darker shade that she used to shape out the look and smudged it on the lower lash line, so I am going to do that with the shade Bad Guy. Now that that is down, let's see what is next. Okay, she's doing mascara and inner corner and lashes. Okay, so she basically finished up the rest of the eye look with mascara, lashes, and the inner corner. And in the inner corner, she went into that shade that she put on the outside of her lid. So I will go into TTYN, which is, I'm probably sure it stands Talk to You Never. TTYN, and I will put that on the inner corner. I'm going to finish up the rest of this look, and I will be right back. And this is the final look. I absolutely love it. It's fun. It's funky. It is just, and it was really simple to do. That is one thing that I really love about her tutorials, is even though they may go relatively quick on Instagram, they're really easy to follow along with. And if you take your time, you could come up with something as amazing as this as well. Now, when she did her waterline, she put like a brown gold shade in her waterline. I did not do that because I did not have a color like that. So I went in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner. Yes, this is technically a lip liner, but I like to use it as an eyeliner in my waterline in the shade Fiery. So that went into my waterline. Now, if you are looking to pick up the Whatever palette by Colourpop or the Super Shock Shadow in Ladybird, Colourpop still has both of these on their site in stock, and Ulta has the Super Shock Shadow. They don't have the palette. I want to give a huge thank you to ElliesGlamLife for allowing me to recreate her makeup look. I really hope I did this look justice. I really had a lot of fun. I will put all her information down in the description box, and in my comments I will pin it so you guys can give her a follow on Instagram. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it, because it's fake. Also, the rest of the products that I use to make this makeup look will be listed down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. I really wish I was going out with this look. I don't care if I got stairs. Just love how different this is. It's just so much fun. Yeah. Now to do the fun part, the editing.